bird machine was supposed to be a machine, but not a real bird. But when we turn it on, this might be a real special thing. It makes a strange noise that it's a real bird, but it is not. People can believe that it is a real bird that's not naughty, not jumping around, not scared, but, well, wait. We can't put our fingers inside it, okay? If we put our finger inside it, it's going to break forever, and you can't even fix it, okay? But this bird looks like real birds, but they're not. Okay, now, what if this bird, breaks and it can never go back to life, But you can see what it does, right? I know you already stopped because it's a machine with two sides. We can put in the batteries when it's, when it doesn't have no more batteries. And, when we clap our hands, even when we talk or clap our hands, it can, speak like this again. Well, wait, where is it? Yeah, like this. See? This is a magical thing between the bird and us. The bird is much more like a real thing. So I'm turning it off now. And hope you see the part 2 again.